I confess I've never seen one.
Yeah, we have to talk about it.
Wall Street is taking the Donald Trump Jr. email story in stride this week. We're at a record high for the Dow yesterday. And that's raising the question, is the stock market a gauge for public opinion on the issue and other issues? David Nelson, chief strategist at Bell Point, joining us this morning. Good to see you, David.
Thanks for having me.
All right, the market for now, at least, doesn't appear to be too rattled by this latest development, or quite frankly, David, any of them. Your thoughts?
Well, look at it this way. The stock market is probably the single best arbiter of public opinion that the world has ever known for literally the last 200 years. When the news hit, I guess on Tuesday, when the emails came out, it was about 11 o'clock. The markets took a pretty big hit, down about 100, 150 points pretty quickly. It took a couple of minutes to read the emails, and then it shot right back up. And that tells me, as a strategist, that this is likely going nowhere. This isn't a talking head speaking. It's not a political operative speaking. It's cold, hard cash making an informed judgment. And that's where it's going.
Yeah, but you have to wonder if investors are growing tired of all of this. I mean, because every day that we continue to talk about collusion, which we still, have lack of evidence that it truly happened here with regards to the campaign, then you've got that delays everything else. That delays health care. That delays tax reform, even the budget. That's the problem, David.
It certainly is. It certainly was stupid, and but it's likely not illegal. So I don't think anything's going to happen in terms of, say, an articles of impeachment from it. But from the market's perspective, it can delay a lot of things that we're looking for. Certainly tax reform. Right now, everybody's looking at what's going to happen with the health care package. That seems delayed. I would have thought that the better path would have been perhaps to go out with tax reform, repatriation that had bipartisan support, that would certainly feed infrastructure spending, and the markets would have loved that.
Janet Yellen testifies once again today, this time before the Senate. If you could ask her one question, what would it be?
Wow, that's a tough one. You know what? I guess what I would ask is, why not let why not speak with one voice? Why aren't you speaking with one voice from the Fed? Investors are very frustrated to get one message from her and then several messages in the weeks that follow.
She was on the hot seat yesterday again today, and so are you, David Nelson. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Good to see you.